Okay, my name is Miles. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to make a hydrogen fuel cell with aluminium plates. Now these are the plates that I made by cutting a sheet into about 31 pieces. I got some sandpaper. I roughened it up, cleaned it all good, and I should be starting to put my gaskets that I made in between every one of these plates. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have 31 plates starting with negative, and then 4 neutral plates, and then positive, and 4 neutral plates again. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be starting with negative and finishing with negative, because I heard negative is the one that gives you hydrogen, and the positive is the one that gives you oxygen. So I want more hydrogen than I do oxygen. Okay, I'm just going to show you how I want to be putting them together. I'll be cleaning them again one more time with water and detergent. Get my gasket again. Pull my gasket. Now what I didn't tell you is that with the negative and the positive plates, I put a little notch. If you can see it, there it is. Little notch, so I can put my so I can plug in the female plug-ins for the wiring. So it should be easier instead of soldering them. Now if you've got a bit of a problem with the gasket going over that, I've made my gaskets pretty wide, pretty thick. All you do is just cut a bit of a square here, cut out the corner, and then you can easily put your connector into the plate. Okay, I bought a rubber mat from the hardware. I think it's 2mm thick, and I'm cutting it out, making my gaskets. As you can see, I get a rubber mat like this that I've already cut out for my plates. Just line it up like this, get a scalpel, and make my own gaskets. It's cheaper and easier to make yourself, because I've been trying to get the proper gaskets, but very hard to get the dimension that I want. So I've got to make my own. Very simple. Okay, now I just got to press it a little bit deeper. One more. And that's it. There's my gasket. Very easy. Okay, this is my hydrogen generator. I finished it. As you can see, it's got 31 plates, 3 positive, 4 negative. Then I got the wires coming from there, from the negative and the positive terminal, coming out of there. And that should be connected to my vehicle. They are aluminium plates. How they're going to react, I don't know. We will see. Some people say it don't work. Some people say it does work. I don't know, I've got to test it out and see if it does or doesn't. If it doesn't, I can't put it in my car. If it does, no problem. Actually, it should be turned up the other way. There we go. These little pipes facing upwards. And that one as well. Pretty big generator, should work pretty fine. If it doesn't work, I might change the positive and negative plates and put stainless steel plates, and the neutral plates will be aluminium. I'll see how it's going to react like that. It is easy to make, it is easy to drill. See what happens. Okay, I've connected my aluminium HHO generator. Now I haven't even connected it to the electricity yet, the 12 volt electricity, and I don't know, it's already producing some sort of gas inside without electricity. Now I'm a bit worried about that, because if it's producing gases and it's not connected, I don't think I'll be putting it in my car. As you can see, there's a lot of bubbles coming out of there. There's my temporary bubbler, but there's nothing coming out of there. Maybe it needs more compression or something, I don't know. Weird. Alright, well let me just... Okay, it's still producing gases. Now I'm going to turn the 12 volt electricity on and see what happens. Okay, there's a better reaction now. There's my bubbler. It is producing gases. But yeah, I'll switch it off now. Okay, there's nothing, just a little bit more bubbles there, but I think that's the leftover that's inside. Oh, there's some more coming out. Yeah, the reaction is still going even when the electricity is shut down. Yeah, maybe the aluminium plates are too much for it, so I don't know what to do now. I should probably put the negative and positive plates stainless steel and the rest of this aluminium, because it's still reacting, even if maybe I should have tried it without any additives like chemicals that I've added and all that. Maybe I shouldn't have added anything, just maybe clear water. I'll probably try that and see what happens.